Okay guys, you're here with Force 15. This is a video update on Tropical Storm Tapah forming in the Western Pacific. And we are bringing you the data and satellite images of this storm as it develops. This storm formed on April 27th after JMA reported that a tropical depression had formed. From the recent forecasts, this could become a Category 1 storm within the next 48 to 96 hours. The storm intensified to Tropical Storm Tapah earlier today. The storm is expected to slowly intensify, becoming a Category 1 storm. Okay, the storm is currently in the Western Pacific with winds of 45 miles an hour to the 10-minute mean and 65 miles an hour to the 1-minute mean. Pressure is now at 982 millibars. Movement is north at about 9 miles an hour, so it's quite a gradual movement. This is the current classification of the storm on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale. So this is the tracking map from Force 13, and we can see that after 24 hours the storm is expected to become a Category 1 before weakening again and sustaining tropical storm status for about 72 hours before becoming a tropical depression. The storm is expected to move northwards and harmlessly dissipate out into the West Pacific. Credit to Force 13 for most of the content in this video, and see you for the next update.